So, hello students, in this chapter we are going to study about expansion. Okay, now before moving on to the problems, before solving the problems, we will discuss some of the formulas that is required to solve the problems, and most importantly I will teach you the formulas in such a way, I will ask you to remember them in such a way so that instead of mugging the formula, you mug up the trend. You just remember the trend, how the formula gets progressed, so that you don't have to put a lot of pressure in your head to remember them. You have to just remember the trend in which these formulas progress. Okay, so let us see the first formula, that is a plus b whole square, which you have been studying in class 7, 8 as well. So a plus b whole square, in all the books you will be saying that it is a square plus b square plus, sorry, in the books you will be saying that it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. I will ask you to remember it in this style: a square plus b square plus 2ab. Why? You will understand very soon. Now you see how the trend goes on. First we are going to do the sum of squares, sum of an addition of the squares. Okay, then in the next case, here also you see in the first there is the sum of the squares. Okay, so see the format, it is a square plus b square plus 2 up to this portion remains same, means sum of the squares, then comes 2, and then there is ab. Now this ab I have written inside bracket. Why? Because ab will be we will be writing ab considering the sign. Now plus a into plus b, it will be plus ab, so I have not written any sign over here, but inside bracket. So when no sign is there, it is basically plus ab. Now this plus is the formula plus that is in the pattern. Okay, here you see a minus b whole square, it will be a square plus b square plus 2. This portion is same in both the formulas, that is sum of the squares plus 2, and inside bracket it is minus ab, because plus a into minus b will be minus ab. Now if you simplify it, it will be 2 into ab. Okay, so it will be a square plus b square plus 2 into minus ab, it will be minus 2ab. And here also in the next step the bracket will move on, bracket will be removed. Okay, so that will become, without the bracket it will look like this. It will look like this. It will be a square plus b square plus 2ab, just like this. Okay, let me write clearly. Yes, just like this. So now when there was 2 terms, so there is only one combination possible, that is ab. When 3 terms will come, then there will be 3 combinations. One is ab, next is bc, and third is ca. Okay, third is ca. ab, bc, ca, and that too we will put with sign. Now see, when 3 terms comes, the previous 4 things will remain same, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. Up to this portion it will remain same everywhere. See, here also it is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2, here also. Up to this it will remain same. The change will happen in the combination portion, that is ab, bc, ca. So here it is plus everywhere, so it is plus ab. I have not written plus over here because we don't write plus. If nothing is there, it means plus. Okay, So AB plus BC plus CA. Here you see A minus B plus C. So this portion will be same. Okay, this portion will be same, and this portion will be minus AB. Why? Plus A into minus B will be minus AB, minus B into plus C will be minus BC, plus C into plus A will be plus CA. You see here A minus B minus C. This portion is same. It will be minus ABY, my plus A into minus B, minus AB, minus B minus C. So it is plus BC, minus minus plus, minus C into plus A. It will be minus CA, plus minus minus CA. Okay. Now you see this combination A plus B minus C. This portion is same. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2. This portion is same everywhere. All the three term formulas, 3 term whole squares, initial portion is same, and in the bracket you see plus ABY, plus A into plus B is plus AB, then plus B into minus C is minus BC, and plus A into minus C plus minus minus CA. You try, note it down. Okay, you see, observe, try to follow the trend how it is working, and you note it down. Okay, pause the video, note it down. Now, before moving on to the cubes, we have one more formula, that is A plus B into A minus B. Okay, now this formula you have studied in factorization, right? Now this chapter is expansion. Expansion is nothing but just the opposite of the chapter called factorization. Understood? It is just the opposite. In class 8 you have learned factorization, where you were given an expression in the expanded form. That expression you are supposed to convert it to the factor form, bracket bracket, that format, something bracket into something bracket, in a multiplication format, that is factorized format. That's why the name of the chapter factorization. Here it is just the opposite. You will be given in the multiplication form, factor form. You have to multiply and expand. So expansion is just the opposite of factorization. In class 9 also you have factorization, but it will be little bit more difficult than class 8, but the concept is same. Okay, so this is the factorization formula, that is A plus B into A minus B. It will be A square minus B square. Okay, so let's move to the there is A plus B whole square. In this case, your A will be A, simple, but your B will be 1 by A. So if this adjustments happens, so how the formula will look like? Same thing. This is A square, and in place of B I am writing 1 by A. Okay, so A square plus this is B square plus 2AB. B is 1 by A. Okay, 2AB. Okay, now so it will be A square plus 1 by, because 1 square is 1. Okay, 1 square is 1, so we don't write here. So 1 by A square plus 2 into A cancel out. It will be only 2 over here. Okay, in the same way, if we go for minus, then A square plus B square, see, plus term remains same. It will be plus here also. It will be plus here also. Okay, where is the change happening? Change is happening over here. It will be plus 2, it will be minus 2. If it is plus, then it will be plus 2. If it is minus, then it will be minus 2. Understood? Okay. So if you want me to write it fresh, I am writing it, see, it is A plus 1 by A whole square. It will be A square plus 1 by A square plus 2, and A minus 1 by A whole square. It will be A square plus 1 by A square minus 2. Simple. Very easy. Simple. Nothing more complicated. Very easy. Just a minute. Okay. So here are the two formulas. Now let's move on to the cube. Pause the formula, write it in your copy. Always use a white copy for mathematics. No rule lines. To learn mathematics, you have to use white copies. Okay? It will be better for understanding. Like the formula, we will move on to the next. Here we see the cube formulas. Now, in many books you will find that they give you the cubes in expanded format. Say for example, they will give you in this format. Let me show you. What color I will take? Let me take yellow. Okay, they will give you in this format, but you will not remember that. Okay, just a minute. They will give you a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, like this. But I will request you, don't remember this format, only remember this format. Okay, let me erase it. So it will be a plus b whole cube, it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay, first there will be sum of the cubes and then 3ab, then again in bracket a plus b. And when it is a minus b whole cube, let me erase this. When it is a minus b whole cube, it will be, all the terms will be negative. Only the initial a cube will be positive. This will be positive, this will be positive. In case of negative, every else sign will be negative. Okay, so it will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Okay, so now here it is a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So this formula you have learnt in class 8 in factorization also, where a cube plus b cube will be a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. You see where the change happens. Change is when there is, no, this is not 2ab, only ab. You should remember that. Okay, it is not 2ab, it is only ab. Now where the change happens is that when there is plus a cube plus b cube, the immediate first term will be plus and later it will be opposite sign. Okay, and when it is a cube minus b cube, similar sign will be immediate first term. A cube minus b cube, so a minus b. A cube plus b cube, so a plus b. And just if it is minus over here, just the opposite will be happening over here, plus. Okay, understood? Now here also, if this is plus over here, here also it will be minus. Okay, since it is plus, the opposite sign will be there. Okay. Now, two important things to note. This formula, this number 11 will be derived from 9, and this number 12 can be derived from number 10. So you see I have done it for you. This 9, this formula number 11 can be derived from 9, and this formula number 12 can be derived from number 10. So we will start with 9 and reach formula number 11. See, this is the formula number 11. We have reached here. This is formula number 11. Just a minute. This is formula number 11. You see, I have started with 9. A plus B whole cube, that is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A plus B. Now this entire thing I will take as a single group and I will transfer to left side. So this plus sign will become minus over here. Here it is plus 3AB A plus B. You don't consider this sign because this is inside a single group. You will only consider sign which is in front of the group while changing the sides. Okay. So this group, you don't consider this sign. This will coming to left side. So it will be plus 3AB A plus B, it will be minus 3AB A plus B only. Okay. And only A cube plus B cube will remain here. This thing has gone to left side. Okay. So A plus B whole cube minus 3AB A plus B. Now I will take A plus B whole cube. So A plus B is common, isn't it? So I will factorize. So A plus B is common. In bracket there are 3A plus B was there. 1 is going out, so 2 will be remaining. So this 2 I will write. Okay, this 2. Understood? Now minus 1AB is going out, so only 3AB remaining. So this 3AB will be this 3AB. Okay, 3AB, 3AB, 3AB. And right side is A cube plus B cube. We have already got right side. See, A cube plus B cube. We have already got. We are going to just change the sides and rewrite. So A cube plus B cube. Before doing that, we will simplify. Now this is A plus B whole square. I will expand this. I will expand this A plus B whole square and we will see what happens. Just a minute. See, if I expand this A plus B whole square, it will be A square plus, you see, over here. Just a minute. I will take this as, suppose, green color. Okay. Now see, it is. This is the expansion. Okay. So the expansion is, okay, wait. This much. This is A plus B whole square. Okay. So now this will be minus 3AB over here. So this plus 2AB minus 3AB will be minus AB. So it will be A plus B into A square plus B square, and here it is minus AB. A plus B, A square plus B square minus AB. So you see we have reached this formula. Just I have written minus AB first and then AB just to match the formula, nothing else, because you know A plus B is same as B plus A. Okay. So this you have got. Now your homework or your task will be to bring formula number 12, but derive formula number 12 from formula number 10. Okay, I have derived 11 from 9. You yourself will be doing formula number 12 from formula number 10. See, in the same process, there it will be A minus B whole cube, and then this 3AB A minus B will be brought to left side. There it will be minus 3AB A minus B in that formula. See, minus 3AB A minus B. This as a whole block will be shifted to left side. It will be, this minus will be plus 3AB A minus B. Plus 3AB A minus B. Okay. Then you will again take A minus B common. It will be A minus B whole square plus 3AB. You will expand, you will get this formula, formula number 12. Okay. So let's move on. You can write, you can pause the video and write the formula. After that we will move on. to a very important formula, new formula that you have in class 9. So let me see. Yes, this is the formula, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This formula will be a plus b plus c multiplied by sum of squares a square plus b square plus c square minus not 2ab 2bc 2ca. It will only be single combination, minus ab minus bc minus ca. It is not whole square formula, so don't confuse it 2 into ab bc ca. No, it will be minus ab minus bc minus ca. First will be square of the sums, then it will be combination of the numbers, and all with negative sign this side, and square of sums will be positive side. And there is another factor which is a plus b plus c in the front. It is a multiplication of two factors. This is a big factor, this is a small factor. Now in this formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, if this factor becomes 0, you know 0 multiplied by any number, if however big the number may be, 0 multiplied by any big number, the entire result becomes 0. So see, if this a plus b plus c is 0, this entire thing will be 0. Am I right? So I have written, if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will be equal to this entire right side is 0. Now if I shift this 3abc in the next step, if I shift this to right side, so a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be, this minus will go to and become plus over here. So we don't write plus, so we are not going to write there. So it is 3abc. We are going to use this formula in upcoming problems. This formula we are going to use, and this is valid only when a plus b plus c equal to 0. We will see live examples. Now see, a is 2, I have taken an example, a is 2, b is 1 and c is minus 4. So let us find a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So 2 cube plus 1 cube plus minus 4 cube. Now this minus sign will come out. Why? Because this 3 is odd number. You know, when there is odd power, negative sign remains. If the power is even, the negative sign inside the bracket will disappear or vanish. When it is even power will vanish. And if it is odd power, then it will remain. So it is remaining, negative sign will remaining, and 2 cube is 8, 1 cube is 1, 4 cube is 64. 4 square 16, 4 cube is 64. So you do this sum, it will be plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 minus 64, it will be minus 55. Now you do 3abc. 3abc, 3 into a is 2, b is 1, c is minus 4. So 3abc is giving 3 into 2, 6, 6 for the 24, minus 24. So you see, these two are not matching, are not equal. So why they are not equal? Let us study. Let me see. First, let me write it down. So I will write over there. Why not equal? This is minus 55. A cube b cube c cube value is minus 55 and 3abc value is minus 24. So why not equal? So why they are not equal? They are not equal because if you do a plus b plus c, a is 2, b is 1, c is minus 4. So 2 plus 1 minus 4 will be equal to minus 1, not 0, which is not 0, it is minus 1. Okay, since it is not equal to 0, then these two things will not be equal. Okay, these two things will not be equal. Let me see if I can give you another example. Yes, there is another example I have taken. The sum a plus b plus c will be equal to 0. You see, this sum a plus b plus c will be equal to 0. If this happens, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube value will be exactly equal to the value we will get by doing 3abc. Let us take a equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 3. So you see, 2 plus 1 plus minus 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now you do a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So it is 2 cube plus 1 cube plus minus 3 cube. So minus will remain, 3 cube is 27. So 8 cube, 2 cube is 8, 1 minus 27. So it is 9 minus 27, it is minus 18. Now it is 3ABC. 3 into A, this is 2, A is 2. You see, A is 2, B is 1, 3, C is minus 3. 3A, B, C. So it will be 3 to 6, 6 is 18. So minus will remain, minus 18. So these are equal. So these are matching. Why matching? Because this sum A plus B plus C will be equal to 0. So now I think you have understood the application of the formula A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, which is the original formula is A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C multiplied by A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. When A plus B plus C becomes 0, then the entire right side becomes 0. Okay? Okay? So that's it. That's all about the formula. Then in the next video we are going to start the problems of the first exercise of your chapter expansion from the M.A. Agarwal book. So thank you.